All right, if you're in construction, listen up. What if I told you the biggest game changer for your projects is actually an idea that's thousands of years old? Today, we're talking about the ultimate upgrade for concrete, a solution that is seriously ancient, but also incredibly cutting edge. I know. A quote from the book of Exodus is a pretty weird place to start, right? But stick with me, because the idea here is brilliant. Reinforcing building materials isn't a new concept. It's as old as civilization itself.
The ancients figured out that adding straw to mud made for way stronger bricks that didn't crack. Well, today, we're doing the exact same thing, just with a massive tech upgrade. We've traded straw for a high-tech fiber and mud for concrete. But that core genius idea, it's exactly the same.
Okay, let's jump from ancient Egypt right to your job site. Let's talk about the one major flaw in concrete that costs you time, that costs you money, and honestly can damage your reputation.
Come on, you know what I'm talking about. What's the number one issue that leads to those angry callbacks, those painful disputes, and the biggest long-term headaches for any job you do?
Yep, that's it. Cracks. They are the absolute enemy. They lead to leaks, expensive repairs, weak spots, and worst of all, unhappy clients. It is the single biggest pain point for everyone in this business.
But what if you could pretty much just get rid of that problem? This is where that ancient wisdom gets its modern-day power-up, and it's a solution brought to you by Seven States Enterprise.
So what is this stuff? Simply put, it's a super smart polypropylene fiber that you mix right into the concrete. And it's not just sitting there. It creates this incredible 3D web of reinforcement through the entire mix, literally fighting cracks before they even have a chance to start.
And don't think this is for some special niche project. Are you pouring a massive factory floor, lining a tunnel, laying a bridge deck, creating precast walls? If you are using concrete, this fiber is for you. It's that versatile.
Okay, I've made some big promises, I get it. And I know what you're thinking. Show me the proof. You got it. Talk is cheap, but numbers don't lie. Let's look at the data.
So here are the 4 huge wins. 1, you get amazing crack control. Say goodbye to most of those early shrinkage cracks. 2, toughness. This is key. It means even if a major crack were to happen, the structure holds together. It doesn't just catastrophically fail. 3, durability, which means savings. It resists water and impact better, so the building lasts longer with fewer repair bills. And 4, this one is going to make your accountant very happy. Efficiency. We're talking less steel mesh to tie, which saves you a ton of time and labor on site. Let's just put it plain and simple. Standard concrete is brittle. When it goes, it goes. Fiber concrete is ductile. It bends before it breaks. Standard concrete is vulnerable. Fiber concrete has seriously high resistance to impact and wear. We're not talking about a small upgrade here. This is a whole new level of performance.
So I really want you to shift your thinking here. Don't look at this as another material cost on a spreadsheet. That's totally the wrong way to see it. This is a smart investment in the quality and future of your project.
I mean, just look at this. The upfront cost in the grand scheme of things is tiny, but the value you get back in the long run, through durability, fewer repairs, and happy clients, it's massive. The return on investment is a no-brainer.
Here's the absolute best way to think about it. Using these fibers is like buying an insurance policy for your building. It's a very small premium that protects you from the massive cost of failure later on.
And what's the payout on that policy? It's fewer cracks, which means fewer repairs, which means fewer arguments with the building owner. All of that leads to satisfied clients, a stellar reputation for you, and, let's be honest, just more peace of mind for you and your whole crew.
And this isn't coming from some startup. This solution is backed by Seven States Enterprise. We're talking over 30 years of deep industry expertise and a genuine passion for what they do. This isn't some gimmick, it's proven tech from a name you can trust. So when you're planning that next project, the choice is pretty clear. Are you going to keep taking the risk that comes with standard concrete? Or are you going to make a small, smart investment that buys you security, durability, and total peace of mind? The choice is yours.